Here I have Honor X6, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key in order to turn your device off, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after your device vibrates, its screen turns on and you can see Honor logo appeared. You can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. Now you can release all the keys. And after that you will end up in the recovery mode. So, like in this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as restart, clear data, here you can perform factory reset and also wipe cache partition, you have update mode, and you have save mode here. So if you want to quit, just select the first option, restart, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.